I will now show you how you can make life easier with the logo Soft Comfort simulation. To do so, I have prepared a basic example containing several time switch functions and a counting function. Using this, I will show you how you can manually influence the outputs of function blocks. Specifically in this example, we have two time switching functions, a 12-month time switch, a weekly time switch, and here in the lower part the counting function. We will start the simulation, and here we can alter the date and time, switching or triggering both functions. There is, however, a disadvantage. If the time switching functions do not share a consistent time, only the action of one function block will be executed. If it's necessary to track both signals, we move the cursor to the output of the function block and right-click with the mouse. Here we can now influence the output. We could set it to various settings, such as one or high signal. We can do so independently of this for other function blocks or manually influencing the signaling. This is also very handy for counter functions. I have prepared a counter function here. By double-clicking on this function block, we open the properties and see that the counter would assume the state of 1 for a count of 100, and at 90 it would reset the output. This would also mean, however, we would have to activate the counter input at least 100 times before the counter would even react. We're now going to try that. Here I've used the standard inputs. If I now press on this in the simulation, the first thing I discover is the counter input is a switch. And in order to further increase the count, I have to press the button twice each time. I can also change this, however, under the properties of the input. In the tab for the simulation, I can select the function of the input, and for counter signal, it's helpful to have a button as a no contact. This means that I now only have to press the input once, and the counter increases the count by 1 after each click. Of course, 100 clicks is still a lot. Here as well I have the option of manually setting the output of this function block. That allows me to safely check the signaling and the function. As you can see, manually influencing the signaling in the logo Soft Comfort simulation is that easy. Logo, simply ingenious, simply more.